Hello everyone, my name is Jose Garcia, and in this video I'm going to give you a couple of tips and tricks for the sketcher and some of them for the extrude. Now, one common thing I hear all the time from folks who use Creo is that the scale is just too massive and they want a quick way of scaling things down. So let's take a look at how we can accomplish that. I'm going to go ahead and activate the sketcher up here, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the front. Okay, and we'll say okay on that. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and create a circle, one that is positioned over here and another one that is positioned over here. And then I will connect them with the line tangent like so. And I'm going to use a point to snap on the middle to say that this is coincident with the vertical and this is coincident with the horizontal. Now, if you notice, the scale of this thing is pretty massive. As a matter of fact, if I try to change this 152 to something very small, what you notice is down there it says modification failed, try alternate. Well, I don't know about you, but I don't know what the alternate even is. But that's okay. What we can do is highlight the whole thing, make a box around the whole thing, and then say modify. Now, the modify function is very powerful, but for this instance, what we want to do is lock the scale. So let's go hunting for this 152 dimension, which is luckily for us right here. Let's say that we want to type 10 in here. As you can see, the whole thing scaled nicely, and when we refit it, everything is perfect. So now we can continue to modify our dimensions. So this is now 5. And I have a dimension from here to here that is a value of 30. And then I can go ahead and say OK. So that is the first tip. How do you scale something down? Well, that is how you do it. Use the modify command. The other technique that you should be aware of is sketch regions. And sketch regions is basically like a coloring book. Whatever area sketch region highlights for you is what you can extrude. Very helpful for situations where you don't want to go in there and use project and trim certain things, right? You know, for example, if I try to extrude this sketch right now, it would actually refuse to do that. But if I come down here into my selection filter, I can go ahead and choose sketch region. And as you can see, when I move my mouse over to these portions, it highlights them in red. I'm not really sure why this one is not behaving that well, but let's say that I want to extrude this portion here. I can select it, and then I can say extrude right here. And as you can see, even though I didn't trim any of those portions off, this type of extrude still works. And I can do the same thing for this one over here. Say extrude, so on and so forth. So I hope this video gives you a little bit of an insight on some of the tips that you have at your disposal. If you feel like you need any more information, please feel free to leave me a comment or reach out to me at our website. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.